nginamukele kuyeshow ngiphethe uMr Magic Linda Spear mfethu njengoba ngishilo mfethu nginombuzo owodwa mfethu ngizokubuza wona ngibhalele incwadi iFathering in the Dawn. The reason why ngibhalele incwadi Mr Magic ukuthi iningi lethu likhulele ngenabo ubaba and then we find ourselves having to father our own kids. So a challenge yokuba ubaba ungakaze ube nobaba ngiyibone inkulu kakhulu empilweni zethu. Now enye into engisabe kakhulu Mr Magic ukuthi iningi lethu sikhule sihamba ngenyawo sesikoleni sihamba ama-kilometers amaningi but ingane zethu sesiyithatha seyidrop esikoleni, you know, they get everything abayifunayo. So ifiye ngiba nayo Mr Magic ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi ingane zethu sigcine singakwazanga ukuyikhulisa kahle. So Mr Magic successful South Africa yamazi, Africa yamazi, no CDJX bayamazi emhlabeni. Into ebengifisa ukuyazi ukuthi Mr Magic wenze njani ukuthi i-challenge nangendlela ingqinamba abhekana nazo ekhula aphinda kwazi futhi ukuthi akhulise ingane zakhe zibe driven empilweni. You know, ungakhulisa ingane ekuthiwa ama-spoiled brat, you know, ingane egcine sezingekho driven empilweni. Senze njani ukuthi sikhule kanzima empilweni kodwa siphinde sikwazi ukuthi ingane esizikhulisayo zikwazi ukuba driven, zingathayi ubabami Mr Magic unakho konke, so I don't have to be driven in life. Ngithola konke engikudingayo. Ukhule ungenakho okuningi usunakho manje. Wenze njani ukuthi ingane zakho zibe driven still empilweni?
One ingane zami anginikeze everything.
Sure.
But I'm very tough.
So I didn't know that.
Yeah, and three, what is important is to remind them and tell them where you come from. Ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngisukapi. Konke ngitholile anginikezwa ngobaba, anginikezwa ngoma ithukuthuku zami. So if they lazy, uma bengasebenzi, uma bengacabangi, uma bengafundi, ngiyabatshela ukuthi I don't care.
Wow.
But no, I push them. It's up to you. Mina nginemali ukuthi ngisesikoleni. If you feel ukuthi awukho right, it's up to you. Because mina my father why security. Nami after isikole ngaba security. Anytime ngidlala emgwaqeni eJohannesburg, ngabe ngihlupheka, ngabe ngicela emzini abantu. Khona ngiziba okay. So ingane zami into engitshela yona ukuthi ngisukaphi, ngimiphi, ngiyaphi. Nina thathani into right ukuthi nanti indoda nendoda mayisebenzele. Intombazana mayivuka isebenzele. So if bene problem ngiyabatshela ukuthi I don't have a problem. Uma ngekho successful ayingilimazi lona and anginankinga ukuthi ungakhuluma ukuthi mina ingane ngabani. And ingane zami zonke ngeke uyibone lokho ezithi ubabazo manje because ngiyitshela ukuthi ngisebenzele igama lami nani isebenzele igama lami. So indoda nendoda mayisebenzele. So abafana bambatshela ukuthi ubaba baze bathi baba ukuba nawe is too hard because someone they think with every time I'm not Mr Magic ending. I'm not the motivational speaker. I'm not a TV presenter. I'm not a radio person. Uma ngifike endini ngobaba yashintsha futhi and they know uma into ngayifuna ngifuni and they tell you ukuthi uma ngumuntu ngimfake and mina ke my brother kuwese kwami ingane zami I think more hluphi ibhandi belithola and futhi ngiyamtshela ukuthi lento yenzile angifuni. But in 2 hours, I'm angry, and after that, and they know. So, Inganzam, my brother, as it was, Makanda. Inganzam, they must work, they must go to school, and be the best.
Sure. Mr Magic, what are you most in the Bamba Lapo? Angazi kuchene lokho ngikuchenela ukuthi ngingaxoxa nendodana yakho.
Yes,
but ilanguage yakhe ne tone, you know, in respect.
Yes, sir.
I picked it up ukuthi about this guy ngikhuluma na akakhulumi lapho time ngubaba ka Mr Magic indodana ka Mr Magic yabo ngayifila lonto ukuthi hayi lensizwe ikhulise kahle, you know, ilanguage yayo ne tone. I was quite impressed, you know.
They know, ukuthi one mongena endlini khumulika peace, number 2 mangihlela nabantu endlini babingelela bese behamba bodwa bese bacashe. Masemakhaya uyaqoba inyama uqobeni, mosemakhaya uxoshana abantu, mosemakhaya awuyeke ifoni yakho ungabikho ku-Instagram, ungabikho ku-Twitter, iba sey'impandeni ukuthi ngisashoya. Umuntu omdala uyambingelela, mawuthenga ukudla uyathipha, uyamnikeza umuntu futhi ngabatshela no akulocala lakho ukuthi uyasebenza esitolo e-restaurant kodwa wena ngoba unomngcono. Uma ngidrive ngithethisa imoto ngimizwa ikhagadi ngiyabatshela ukuthi umusa ukuthi ngisemotweni ikhagadi lengemuva bengaba yimina lo muntu wekhagadi abesemotweni. So they know, so ama principles bawazi and mekufonela akamention noma ngathi bhuti mina ngozama ukuthi into engalinda sibe uthe baba ngikufonela ayi ukuthi ayiphakamise ngoba inkingi futhi ingane yami uma ungitshela ukuthi sibiya ngimtshelile ufana ukuthi uyabheda ngiyofika futhi nami endini ngimtshele ngithi wenze kahle uqaba ukuthi so it's very important ingane sikhulise nanokuthi lento ukuthi uzalwe celebrate nabo kodwa ayisebenzi ke so abafana bambonke namantombazana amonke akudlali so abantu ngise stage motivate noma I'm preaching noma ngekuphi into ebalekile if ubaba yibo baba and ingane zakho zitshele everything ngiyabatshela njana bophansi and I speak about wine ngikhulume champagne ngikhulume whiskey teach them so they know khuluma ngensango ukhulume ngogwayi about everything so as you are saying ukuthi ingane mayifonela ukhombisela ukuthi uyahlonipha ayi mokuthiwa ingane ayihloniphanga ayiyexolisa kodwa ezami ingane I know
ngayifila le in fact to be honest with you ngaze ngambuza ngathi wafike wa-introduce uZama uSibiya saxoxa sengiyabuza ukuthi konje ngizama uku-understand that I know ngiyindodana later on I was like wow even that akubanga nje ukuthi nomfethu imina uSibanibani ebese introduce ukuthi uyindodana kaLinda Sibiya so that mhlambe kuzoshintsha i-conversation ukuthi manje ngimnika
futhi ngiyabatshela mabrother ukuthi ngamention sure kuneminyango eyovalwa kuneminyango eyovuleka so abangavuleli iminyango because of my name abavuleli iminyango because of their name nemisebenzi yabo because ubaba ugida kwami sengiyisemsakazweni ngangajavana ngithenga imoto entsha wathi so in a nutshell but baba ngithatha wathi asamse store masifika estolo bafika biza abantu bathenga utshwala wathi ngibathenga utshwala manje sivala imoto sithi mbona nami ngizokudumisa la kodwa mhlawumbe on radio umdumisa kanjani wathi laba bantu basendaweni ibona bomba ithuna lakho laba bantu basendaweni ibona bomngcwaba boqula ibhokisi lakho ungaduma ngaphandle wazini kodwa la emakhaya balekile ukuthi aba bantu bakwazi usibonele ngo2020 2025 uKhisimuzi wami usekhaya kwagcwala igcekeni khona abantu abazothiwa sicela nihambe so umehlo ngoba ekhanga umehlo kodwa umehlo endoda khona ezokwazi ukuthi akahlala nomndeni wakhe angibambe manga kodwa benza umsegcekeni ngoba bayazi ukuthi inkuliso kababa nemfundiso kababa khona bathi sazi ihlo wena sazi ukugida ngayo so nabo funa iminyango yovula ngingaseke kuthiwa hey wena baba kwalo wenyenzi kanje
sure
so it's very important so ngiyabatshela imfundiso nokubahloniphe baqonde but into ebalekile iphupho labo umbono yabo nama goals abo angenike lapho maybe decide ukuthi yena ufuna ukuthi wenze into ethile akayenzi but principle brother hlonipha ukuqala but uqala kokuhlanipha ngiyabatshela umesaba uNkulunkulu they know that there's a principle
Mr. Richard yabona mfethu yabona mfethu I'm at peace because yabona khona umama washaya ingoma ethi uyambonga umama ubaba wakhe emshayisa umama wakhe emshayisa wentandane umvuse ekseni into engifundile ngempilo Mr. Magic ukuthi singanga understand manje but siyafika isikhathi la understand khona ubuke nomuntu oyitshela ukuthi uyakuhlupha ube nokurealize ukuthi yazi lo muntu wayengifundisa impilo so thank you so much for that and I will take
but before we get it's funny ngethanda
not a problem
usise engihlala kwakhe ngangiklina ngifunda isikole ngikhumbula ngithe ngangi-SCM esikoleni that time so athi angikline one day khona upelepele ngawubona ewindini usumdala ngawutshinga he came back wathi upelepele ubula ubuku ngathi nase ngutshingile wathi why ngathi usumdala it was raining sengufake umgqomo kaDoti wathi kumina ngiyawufuna kwafanele ukuthi ngivule uplastic onokudla onamathambo ngaze ngawuthola upelepele o3 womile ngawuthola ngawuwasha ngawuphinsela ngawubeka ewindi ngathi asengutholile into ayenza ngakusasa wojinga but I thank God for that wathi sewubekile wawujinga yena wayethi uyangihlupha wayethi uyangitosharisha but wayengazi ukuthi wayengifundisa ukubekezela so noma nginikeza upelepele ngiyakwazi ukuthi mina ngenze chili sauce ngoba ngiyazi ngiyawudinga somewhere so ayikho into ekuthiwa umama wekuhlupha umama wekuthuka okay isibonelo ekhaya bethi siyanana sicela njalo siyahlupheka inkukhu ekhaya singayazi and ukudla umnandi singakwazi so uKhisimuzi asihamba sikhangeza ofika ekhaya udla isinkwa uKhisimuzi base bethi hamba nokhangeza so ukusola ukuthi ngilule ngiyenzela ukuthi abantu understand ukuthi yonke into ngase kwenzeke kungabi nawo umzali nobaba nomama kodwa ukhona ubaba ozomthola emgwaqeni khona umama ozomthola emgwaqeni ubaba wahamba emhlabeni kodwa ngaba nawo uBhondozi ngaba nawo umntwana uMqedizulu ngaba nawo uNcamalala the former president ngaba naso Siphiwe Samabane so ngabathola emgwaqeni endleleni kunezinto eziningi engifunde kuNcamalala engifunde kwisini engifunde kuBhondozi nengifunde kubantu around nabanye bebethi bangifaka emlilweni ngabonga ukuthi ngingene emlilweni ngoba sengiphuma emlilweni ngiyabonga ukuthi leli khekhe bebelenza bengeke ukuthi uFlower noShukela icing neRama kuhlukana ngcono ukuhlangana kushe bese kunambitheka so konke okufundile ubaba unayo nobaba ungenayo obathola endleleni bakwenza ukuthi unambitheke babonge ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngidlule into enjengale ukulala phansi emlazi kwa kudayisa utshwala ngizovuka ekseni ngesikoleni ngibe kwi-SEM esikoleni ngifike ekseni ngo-6 ngizobhala homework o-principal bacabanga ukuthi lupani uyavuka ngingabatsheli ukuthi no ngiyadayisa utshwala kwakumnandi ukudayisa utshwala ukuthi angikwazi ukufunda ebusuku uhamba ngo-12 sibevalela utshwaleni ngivuke esikoleni but kwangineza ukuthi ngibe mholi ngaqala ngaphatha ngaba i-head prefect ngaqala ngayi-chairman of the SEM so ngakuthola lokho emgwaqeni obaba so baningi abantu engibatholile maplani bangisiza ukuthi ngibe into ngiyona so ingane zami nakhona as well nabo kufanele kube njalo futhi
yes Mr. Magic yazi uthinteke itopic la literally ngangisemncane ngiyesikoleni ngilambeni ngathi ngiyesikoleni anginakho ukudla athi hamba esikoleni uzobafica phambili obhuti bakho nosisi bakho yabo lento ishow i-align ngempela ngize ngayibhala kule ncwadi i-Fathering Shadows ekhuluma ngalonto ukuthi hamba obhuti bakho nosisi bakho uzobathola nami ngikhule ngenayo baba kodwa mina ngikhule ngenayo baba kodwa impilo ngibonile beba khona obaba embafica umgwaqeni njengobuhle so abantu abangicijile empilweni ngaze ngayi lento engiyona manje namanje futhi ngisaya phambili but I really concrete what you're saying
and my brother uyabadinga obaba abanjalo in fact uthi abantu abakufundisayo obaba basendleleni not baba wakhe lo soke nokhalweni yawo ukuzokunikeza ama principles but unomthola endleleni uye okutshela ngongeze kangakanani so it's very important ukuthi you must understand and then respect understand ukuthi laba bantu abanginikeza lento abangilimazi abangibulali but bangikhombisa la ngiqonde khona phambili so it's very important nanokuthi mangibheka khona izinto angikhuluma deep no former president ngikhuluma ezinye noBhondozi ezinye ngikhulume neSiphiwe Samabane ngivalelwe endlini nohlangalezo ezinye ngaba nenhlanhla ngaba sendlini ukhona uMadiba ukhona iSilo 1997 so mpo kungabona uTD Jakes ngahlala noTD Jakes so kunezinye izinto engitholile ngifike eDallas ngibe noBishop 1-on-1 kungifundisa so ubaba akanginikeza into uBishop kodwa uBishop akabonga ukuthi ngasuka okhalweni kaGidangaka
that's big
so
abantu banendima abayidlalayo la
bheka ukuthi sikhuluma kakhulu ngoMandela but asikhuluma bawakhe kakhulu kodwa mina what I see kuMandela ngibona bakwakhe khona izinto eziningi ewathi baba ukuthi wayemtshela ukubekezela sakhulu awuzoba ummeli bekezela mhlawumbe ngambona ngobakwakhe wona ngambona ngoba kodwa endleleni khona abantu ofunde kubona nje nayo lento right webani thulana ungayenzi le ibambe kanje so ingane zakho uyakwazi ukuyikhulisa ngezinto oyitholile ezi-right mhlawumbe umfundisi uma phambi kwakho mhlawumbe umshumeli wephambi kwakho wamtshela ukuthi nayo into enziwa kanje or induna sekumabrother ekugcineni ayikho into eyosenza sibe siphezulu ubaba ongizala ugida ngaye wathi mehle ndoda umunyuka entabeni wohleka wathi makwehlela wokhala ngathi baba uthini ngoba fanele makunyuka ikhala wathi no makunyuka sekuzokwehlela mase kwehlela wathi hayi khala ngoba sizokhona ukunyuka so impilo injalo so into injalo baby so okuningi okufundile futhi ingane zakho khona izinto ingane zakho ezoyibonga kanti ziyibonge ngobuye umuntu uma baba sengiqeda nje ngidriver ngisuka eShowe ngidlula egarage Shell eMvoti mangimisa imoto ngicela petrol yakhala angibuke ngithi ubaba wayekhaya athi ngikhala ngoba ubaba wami ngithi hayi baba umntana kunami athi ingoba elalele radioweni into eyenzakalayo wayefuna ukuthi ayibulala ephethe isibhamu uthi ngavele ngathi lento iphethe ithi uthi ngasikhipha ngewindi isibhamu ngangayibulala omunye usisi wathi ngangiphethe amabhodlela semwagayile ngithi ingane ngizifaka amabhodlela omunye usisi wafika emsakazweni ephethe ingane eziwu2 ethi uzovela ipost istimela ishawe istimela so khona ubaba wethu incwadi oyibhalayo Fathering in the Dawn khona umuntu oyifundayo athi wow Fathering in Shadows uthi mayifunda incwadi yakhe athi wow uzuubaba esigcwele uzu-Abraham kwezinye izizwe so it's very important whatever sikwenzayo khona ingane efundayo khona intombazane efundayo khona umfana ofundayo
Mr Magic khona la angiphuma esikoleni engeza umunye umama ekhaya okhozini efonela esho lento uthi wayifuna ukuyibulala wasezwa lama motivations wawenza lonto yamsiza ngiyakhumbula lonto namanje sahleli kumina ukuthi khona umama wafona ukhozini ekhala esho lonto ukuthi bese funa ukuthatha impilo yakhe
khona usizo ubuye wayikhulelo engamotivate ingane yakhe wayiqamba ulindo kuhle ngoba ngiyulindo kuhle wayifuna ukuthi ayi-abort
sure
so wafika emsakazweni wathi ukhulele intombazana but then ngamtshela ngathi sis but I kept a promise ukuthi I will never reveal her name I will never even tell the daughter ngathi kuyena womtshela uma esemdala eshada ukuthi nanti awufuna ngiyenze because you don't know what is going to happen to her now and two if you sit around with Soli Mahlala powerful story in my entire life uthi ngim-interview kwisifunukwazi uthi sesivala uthi Sibiya ngicela my father who raped my mother bengicela wherever you are I just want to know you get in why this guy is saying this would know I just want to know you would yeah you raped my mother but you didn't know ukuthi obrigado uzoqhamuka so kunobaba ababalekile kuma responsibilities zabo ukhona obanye obaba abakhulise ingane ongezona zabo so mfowethu emhlabeni usuku nosuku ngathi we show 9 million fatherless children ezikhona out there ngase ngithi ku producer no lezi ngane zo 9 million ukhona obaba abawu 9 million abungezona ingane zabo biologically but abazokwazi bayikhulisa bese ingane ithi ngiyabonga uSibiya ngiyabonga uGumede ngiyabonga uZonke ngiyabonga uAlex ngiyabonga because usuku nosuku ukhona obaba abaziso uma uthi wena men are trash they're making a mistake but inkinga amadoda athulayo mayibona ukuthi indoda yenze ngephutha so usuku nosuku my brother khona into uzifunda nomuntu osibukayo khona into uzifunda ebese ngakhala suyinyembe zathi ngiyabonga ukuthi ubaba ngimazanga kodwa khona ubaba engimtholele kuGumede sengeright
Mr Magic yazi bengafuna ukupromote lezi incwadi yabo la le ncwadi le i-Fathering Shadows mangiqala ngixoxa istory senzeka eRwanda la kwadlomo lwakho nomama base be babathola ingane and ingane bebengayifuni so kushawa i-interview lana ingane seyina 20 omama namanje besanenkinga ukuthi lezi ingane abayithandi ngoba badlomulo and mangibhala incwadi ngikhuluma ngalotho ukuthi abantu abaningi uthola khona umuntu ozalwe nge-rape so uyibona ngathi uzalwe ngephutha so ngizama ukuveza la ukuthi nakwi-rape iplan kaNkulunkulu usuke isakhona lapho
isimoti letters to my seed and then you check i-bamboo tree yase-China Japan or China mayimila but iba neminyaka iyaphansi but masiphuma ayivinjwa yilutho so if abantu basebavuma ukuthi ubaba wami akashadanga noma wami but ngizoba i-bamboo tree so you're in your book ukuthi letters to my seed so wena uyimbewu kodwa okwamanje ubonakala because ubaba umboni akakubambi ngesandla akakudrop esikoleni and umama uhamba nengane yakho uyayidrop ubaba yakekho or ubaba besingane yakho akekho mama but le mbewu oyichelelayo mhlawumbe ugogo unalengane oyiphethe ungathi ingane yegrant ungathi ingane yekhadi lengane oyiphethe uchelele enye imbewu letters to my seed so umuntu akenze sure ukuthi usuku nosuku kuyithunze ikhona khona obaba abakwazi ukufundisa ezinye izinto bese yakhula ingane so i-bamboo tree ngiyayithanda mayaphansi ayinto evimba mayiphuma so ingane ikhona nomama ukhona ukuthi ingane yakhe or ubaba noma kuthiwa i-divorce ikhona noma kuthiwa mhlambe awumazi babona ingane yakhe but ayingeyisaba ngoba ayibonakali akubanga umbili ophumayo but iyaphansi mayiphuma
makuba nevunguvungu futhi ayithinteki ngoba isuke isizinzile
ihamba nawe nesivunguvungu besiphinde ibuya kushe
Mr Magic, it's an honor, but it's an honor.
No, it's not your imas, guys. Not just the imas.
No. Well, thank you so much, and I trust Bafethi was impacted because akakwazi Mr Magic ukuthi akhulume kungenzeki lutho. So siyabonga kakhulu Mr Magic.
Thank you. It's not over until you win. it is not over until God says it's over. Whatever you want in life, you're going to achieve it. Make sure you buy this book,
Fathering Shadows,
and this
the
book.
Fathering in the Dawn.
Very important.
Wow.
Peace.
Thank you so much.